Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Well, today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a Buffalo farmhouse Christmas theme. And if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the first DIY, we are doing a mini wreath, and you can pick the base up from the Dollar Tree. You can also pick the picks up from the Dollar Tree as well. We just so happened to be in Hobby Lobby on Monday, and they had all their picks 50% off, so we grabbed a lot of the picks. That's what we will be using today. This is a plush material that we picked up from Joann's. It comes in several different colors. I believe it comes in a off-white, it comes in a pink, and a few more other colors as well. But we chose the pure white because we are doing a Buffalo farmhouse Christmas theme for a family member this year. So you're just going to wrap this plush material all around the wreath, and you will continue to wrap it until the wreath is completely covered. If for some reason you are not familiar with how to make a bow, we will link a video down below in our description bar, and that link will take you to our video where we show you how to make a bow. We are doing the ducktail, but you don't have to do it. Everyone do not like the ducktail. You can also do the slant, but for this particular theme, we are going to go with the ducktail. We wanted to give the wreath a little more detail, so we painted the pine cone, and we're also going to add a little touch of the paint to the Christmas trees inside of the truck as well. Honestly, we could have stopped right here, but we decided that we wanted to make this wreath a little more personal, so we did decide to add a sign. So our first DIY is complete, and we are absolutely loving this Buffalo farmhouse decor. It is for a family member, and this is one piece we have of this DIY that is complete. We thought it would be more personal to add a little sign, so we added "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." For this next DIY, we are making a mini snowman, one you can put on your counter, your mantle, your fireplace, anywhere you decide to put it. As you can see, we are cutting out a pattern for a Santa Claus hat. We decided to go with a Santa Claus hat for the snowman. We thought that it looked absolutely adorable. We made two off camera, and you will see it at the end of the video. These Santa Claus hats are absolutely adorable. We are now making the snowman scarf. So now we're going to take our needle and thread and sew along the lines of the snowman's hat so that it can all come together. If you don't know how to sew, or if you don't have a desire to sew, the next best thing would be to use the glue gun. We're just sewing the plush around the material to give it more of that warm Christmas feel. We are sewing a little ball on top of the hat, but if you don't sew, you can actually use a baby styrofoam ball and you can create the hat like this by gluing it onto the styrofoam ball. Now we are creating the little scenery that is going to go inside of Snowman's head. After completing the snowman, we thought it would be cute to add some berries to the nose of the snowman as well as the coat of the snowman. So the second DIY is complete, and it is a snowman with a snowman scenery in the head part of the snowman. The snowmen are absolutely adorable. We think they are so stinking cute, and our family member is going to love it because this is going to match her decor for this year. For this next project, we are using a cocoa tin can for the Christmas tree stand. You can use whatever you find around your house to form your Christmas stand. And it's not going to make a difference because the can or whatever you're using is going to be covered in material. These are two trees from the Dollar Tree, and they come real skimpy and they don't really have any branches on them. So we are just connecting the two together to give it that fullness. And we will entwine a filler in between to connect it to hold it together. So you will need to use the filler and tighten the top up and tighten the middle and also the bottom and place it into the tin can. You want to fluff the branches out to the tree. It should be full enough, but if you want it even fuller, then you can connect it by threes as well. So as full as you want the tree, you just keep connecting until you get the fullness that you want to see. But honestly speaking, 2 trees is all you need. We were looking for a different type of pick for this tree, and we found it at Hobby Lobby. They had a 50% off, so we got several of the picks. And if you want to use the Dollar Tree picks, they are just as nice. If you don't have a theme and you're just wanting to fill it with different things, then Dollar Tree is good. You can go get those. But we had like a theme in mind for a family member, and so we were looking for a particular pick. So we went to Hobby Lobby and they had just what we needed. So that's what we are putting in the tree today, is the buffalo picks that you see. And these buffalo picks can also be made. If we were doing several homes with buffalo Christmas decor, we would have purchased the material and made the picks ourselves. But because it's only one home, then we don't need as many picks. We're just placing the berries to give it that full look. So wherever it looks like it's bare, we're placing the berries so that it will look like a full tree. We wanted to give the tree a little more character, so we placed one of the little picks on the bottom of the tin can. So we are complete with this last DIY, and we wanted to give this a little more character, so we did add the snow, and also we added the little pick to the bottom of the tin can, and we thought it just brought that buffalo farmhouse Christmas decor. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below what DIY was your favorite. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.